Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome you all to my channel. Today's RHCSA question is: complete the user account task as mentioned in this following table. Username Alex, UID 1010, password RHEL@123, expiry date 6 months from today. Username Bob, UID 1011, password RHEL@123, expiry date leave as default. Let's start. Switch user to root account. Type the following command to create user Alex with user ID. Create a password for Alex. Retype password again. Same steps for user Bob. Different user ID. Same password. OK. Now type this command to calculate the exact date after 6 months from today. We found the date. It's 24th February 2023. Now by ch command I am going to put this date as an expired date of user Alex. Type this command to verify expiry date of user Alex. Okay, this question has been resolved successfully. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to boost me up to create more knowledgeable videos. Thank you.